CIET NCERT presents audiobook Interactions, activity book on listening and speaking for classes 6 to 10.
Page 28.
Chapter 12 Travel.
Learning Outcomes. 1.
Learners will be able to listen for gist, specific information, and detail in the given text.
2.
Learners will be able to talk to each other about their travel habits.
3.
Learners will be able to evaluate the given information and fill in the blanks.
4.
Learners will be able to express themselves clearly in complete sentences. Now, we will move to page 146 for the appendix of chapter 12.
Page 146.
Appendix 12. Announcement 1.
Air India announces the arrival of its flight IC243 from London.
Announcement 2.
This is for the attention of passengers travelling by Turkish Airways flight THZ367 from New Delhi to Istanbul. The flight is ready for departure. Passengers may proceed to gate number 12 for departure.
Announcement 3.
This is for the attention of passengers travelling by Qatar Airways flight QTR 914 from New Delhi to Doha. The flight is ready for departure. Passengers may proceed to gate number 5 for departure.
Announcement 4.
British Airways London announces the arrival of its flight BA246 from Manchester.
Announcement 5.
This is for the attention of passengers travelling by Indian Airlines flight IC157 from New Delhi to New York. The flight is ready for departure. Passengers may proceed to gate number 16 for departure.
Now, we will move to page 28 for the activities of chapter 12.
Page 28. Warm up. A.
Look at the table given here. You have to move around the class and find out the names of students having these travel habits. Write the names of persons against each travel habit. Column 1 consists of travel habits. In column 2, you have to write the names of students with those travel habits.
1.
Takes a lot of photos on holidays.
2.
Carries a lot of luggage.
3.
Gets excited before a journey.
4.
Always forgets to pack something important.
5.
Likes to travel light.
6.
Usually buys clothes before traveling.
7.
Prefers to travel by train.
8.
Is happy to return home after a holiday.
Page 29. Activity 1. Listening. A.
Juhi is at an airport. She hears some announcements. As you two listen to the announcements, complete the table listing the arrival and departures of planes. There is a table given here. In column 1, you are given the serial number of announcements. In column 2, you have to write whether the flight is arriving or departing. In column 3, you have to write the place of arrival or departure. You have to do this for 5 announcements.
Activity 2. Speaking. A.
On the plane, the air hostess asked Juhi if she needed assistance or something to eat or drink. Read the table given here and learn how to offer, accept, or refuse help.
Making an offer.
Could I help you put your luggage in the overhead luggage rack?
Accepting.
Thanks. That would be blank.
refusing,
No, thank you. It looks delicious though.
making an offer,
Would you like to? Blank.
accepting,
Blank will be fine.
refusing,
Thanks, but I... blank.
making an offer,
How about blank?
accepting,
Blank would be welcome.
refusing,
I am fine. Thanks.
making an offer,
What will you have? Blank.
accepting,
Blank.
refusing,
Blank.
making an offer,
Can I get you some? Blank.
accepting,
Blank.
refusing.
Blank.
Page 30. B.
You are on a visit to Shimla with your family. Look at the photographs given here and write a letter to your friend describing the trip. Remember to include an interesting incident.
1,
You are driving your car in the snow.
2,
You are driving the car close to a lake.
3,
You are playing with your sister. Chapter 12 Travel ends here.
Interactions. Activity book on listening and speaking for classes 6 to 10. You were just listening to this audiobook. Read by Akash and Kashfi Shamail. Recorded by Bati Langlingdo and Vikas Sangwan. Production assistants Tanu Gupta. Directed and produced by Vandana Arimardan. This audiobook is presented to you by CIET NCERT, New Delhi, India.